guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a little kind of organized, not really with me because I'm not going to do the whole process with you guys, but these are all of my metal dies. They're in these bins from Target. I have the bins turned sideways because there's little handles on each side and they fit like you have to push it in, but it fits in these calyx units. But these guys, if you can see right here how they're floppy, they're sad. They don't stay up unless they're wedged in between certain things. Sometimes they will, but they're very limpy and sad. And these are actually file folders, those plastic file folders, and these are from Target. And the only downfall is I got extras, but you just can't predict like what you're gonna need in the future. So I had extras, but I ran out, and these folders only come around during back to school time at Target. And they're 50 cents a folder because they are the plastic ones, not the cheap 15-cent ones that are like a paper version. So anyway, I used each panel and I cut it in half. So I got 4 of these little dividers out of one folder. But I just want to revamp it. I'm gonna do white and pink lettering across. So kind of just switching it up. So this is my before. So this is my laminator from, like, cheap laminator from Amazon. I used my label gun with my new pink label tape. And I took out my white one. And you guys, the baby, I was doing this laminating stuff while the baby was awake. I don't know who's worse, a kitten or a baby, but she destroyed all the white tape. I was so sad. I was like, oh no, because my pink one's in there. And then I just got some cardstock. I did a thicker white cardstock. I mean, you could use paper because once you laminate something, it becomes sturdy, but I wanted it to be very sturdy. So I did 110-pound cardstock plus laminating it. And then I just cut the strips in half. So it was an 8.5 by 11, and I just cut it in half after I laminated it. So I have a bunch of those. And I started to, because I knew those shapes off the top of my head. They're there. So here they are. This one says hearts and this one says stars. This like zigzag tear shape, that's actually on my Dymo printer, but the actual tape is a pink, I don't know if you could see that. It's like a pink glitter, more of a shimmer, not like a chunky glitter or anything. And the writing is white, so it's not like black. And I like the way that looks, and I'm just gonna have these in my compartment. So I'll do those all real quick. You guys, this looks so much better than this. I don't know, like when I was, each one, when I made the tag, I pulled it out, you know, so I don't lose its spot. But these are way sturdier than, you know, Mr. Flappy McGaffey. So I'm super pleased with this result. I love, you know, the pink versus just doing, you know, boring black and white, or the white with the black, either or. I just wanted a pop of the pink, and I got this on Amazon. It comes in a 2-pack. So far I haven't ran out of the first one, but if I do have that one extra, you know, for the specialty things. And then I will still continue to do these, you know, black and white for labeling my little pockets. I do get my vinyl pockets on Amazon, and this is the smaller of the 2 sizes that I get. This is the, I think, 5x8, and then the next size up, I think it's this one, is a 6x8, so it's a little bit bigger, and they kind of just all overlap a little bit on the inside, and that's how I'm able to get them in these units. If I did them separately, they wouldn't fit in this unit. So I am loving this. I love this. Super happy with the results. All right, if you guys have any questions, leave it down below. I will link everything that I used or mentioned, and you guys have a good day. All right, bye guys.